G'day everyone, I want to talk today about operating your live view better. So when you turn it on, you can switch on your live view. Need to do it better with this. Now that live view is very, very helpful. Basically it is a live version of what you are watching. But often if you're shooting at night, it's useless because it's completely black. And so you're looking at your live view, you're like, I can't see anything, but I need it to work. If you're in those situations, all you have to do is bump up your ISO through the roof. Like to 10,000 or 100,000 or whatever it's gonna go, you go right up, keep going, go right up, right up. And when it gets to the top, everything in your live view will be able to be focusable and seeable, and so you'll be able to compose your shot, you'll be able to focus in on the stars as I've talked about in other videos, you'll be able to really get clear clarity, and then make sure you do this, bring your ISO all the way down, otherwise it's going to be absolute disaster. I hope this helps. Go have a play this week. Let me know in the description if it worked, if you've got any other questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.